Assam is one of the most biologically diverse regions on Earth. From vast wetlands and grasslands to ancient tropical rainforests, this land is home to an extraordinary variety of life. Many of these species are well known and celebrated. Yet, hidden beneath the shadows of the forest lies another world. A world of small, silent creatures, often unseen, often misunderstood, yet just as vital to the forest as any of its more famous inhabitants. In the far northeastern corner of India lies a rainforest that remains largely unknown to many. A rainforest called Dehing Patkai. Those tranquil moments at dawn, when the rainforest slowly awakens. Golden rays of sunlight filter through the canopy. Mist drifts gently across the waters of the Dehing River, and somewhere deep within the forest, life begins to stir. Floating silently upon a wetland is one of Assam's rarest birds, the white-winged wood duck. Its presence is so elusive that even within this forest, a sighting is considered a rare privilege. Nearby, a flock of ducks glides across the water, shimmering in the soft morning sunlight. High among the towering trees, a sudden burst of movement. India's only ape, the hullock gibbon. Long before they are seen, their howling and resonant calls echo through the rainforest. Swinging gracefully from branch to branch, they spend their entire lives amidst the forest canopy. But the true mysteries of Dehing Patkai lie closer to the ground. Every layer of this rainforest is intricately connected to another, forming a complex and beautiful web of life. When the monsoon arrives, the forest transforms. After spending most of the year hidden beneath the ground, familiar voices once again fill the air. Beside a flowing forest stream, a tiny frog remains perfectly still. Raindrops gently strike its moist skin. For creatures like these, moisture is life itself. Suspended above the water are clusters of foam-covered nests. Before long, tadpoles emerge from these nests and begin drifting through the water. Day by day, their bodies transform. Hidden among the wet vegetation, they become almost invisible. As they mature, the lush green canopy of the rainforest becomes their permanent home. Nearby, a green tree frog clings firmly to a leaf swaying in the wind. The pads beneath its feet function like natural adhesive. Through the dark depths of the forest, this frog carefully navigates between leaves and branches. Its soft and highly sensitive toe pads allow it to move effortlessly through even the most slippery vegetation. For generations, many cultures have believed that the appearance of frogs brings rain. Even today, some communities perform ceremonial frog marriages during periods of drought. It is believed that such rituals invite the monsoon. In reality, the rain provides frogs with the standing water they need for breeding and laying eggs. Beside the powerful currents of a hill stream, another remarkable creature slowly reveals itself. A frog specially adapted to life in fast-flowing water. Its limbs grip tightly to slippery rocks, and at the slightest sign of danger, it vanishes instantly into the rushing stream. Yet, not all amphibians depend on speed. On the damp forest floor, another predator waits silently. Motionless for hours, it remains patient, waiting for an unsuspecting insect or small creature to wander within its reach. As evening approaches, the rainforest takes on yet another form. The shadows deepen, and with them emerges another group of predators. The reptiles. Among the wet rocks beside a waterfall, a hill stream snake moves silently between stone and water. Gliding effortlessly across slippery surfaces, it disappears into the darkness along the water's edge. Coiled among the branches above rests a green pit viper. Its heat-sensitive organs can detect even the slightest movement in complete darkness. Nearby, a garden lizard remains completely unaware of the danger. The snake waits patiently. Then, in a split second, it strikes. The lizard's journey comes to an end. As night deepens, a bright golden shimmer glides silently through the trees. This is a cat snake. Under the moonlight, its body gleams as though a living streak of light is moving through the forest. Using its highly specialized tail, it travels effortlessly among branches suspended high above the ground. Most snakes of Dehing Patkai are non-venomous. Nearby, a bronze-backed tree snake moves rapidly through the upper layers of the forest before vanishing among the leaves in an instant. Wherever frogs gather, larger predators are never far away. Emerging from the darkness is one of Asia's most remarkable reptiles, the monocled cobra. Alert, intelligent, and unwavering in its focus, it follows the scent trails left behind by frogs across the damp forest floor. The cobra moves closer and closer. Then, for a brief moment, silence returns to the rainforest. But soon, another precise strike follows. This time, the predator succeeds. When threatened, this cobra is also capable of spraying venom. Yet, despite their fearsome reputation, snakes are not enemies of the rainforest. They are essential guardians of ecological balance. Emerging through the dense rainforest canopy comes one of Dehing Patkai's most formidable predators, the king cobra. A creature that commands deep respect throughout these forests. A new dawn brings with it another story from Dehing Patkai. A flying lizard clings motionless to the bark of a tree. Suddenly, it leaps. Extending its wing-like membranes, it glides through the humid air toward a distant tree. But from above, an ornate flying snake has already begun its pursuit. The snake expands its body and silently launches itself through the canopy, gliding between branches. At the last moment, the lizard succeeds in disappearing into cover, and the snake's attack fails. Dehing Patkai is not merely a battlefield of predators and prey. It is an ancient living system. Every creature here, no matter how small, plays a unique and vital role for sustenance of ecological balance of the rainforest. Even today, many species living within this rainforest remain completely unknown to science. Dehing Patkai may not carry the global fame of the Amazon rainforest, yet its forests hold mysteries just as deep and life just as remarkable. Nature's greatest wonders are not only those we have already discovered and admired. They are also those that remain hidden beneath the green veil of the forest. Hidden beneath the forest canopy, they continue to live in silence, not lost, not forgotten, but waiting for the world to finally notice them.